In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the various settings available in the Inputs tab of your trading indicator, focusing specifically on the options that pertain to all three trading sessions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning to explore this exciting world, understanding how to customize these settings is essential for making the most out of your trading experience. Let's begin by looking at the four toggle options available at the top of the Inputs tab. These toggles offer general settings determining what text information and additional visuals you see for each trading session. The first toggle, Show Session Names when activated, will label each of your session boxes with the text from its corresponding displayed name setting. This feature can be particularly helpful for traders who want a clear visual indication of when each session begins and ends. Next, we have the Draw Session Open and Close Lines toggle. By turning this option on, you'll see two dashed lines appear within each session box. These lines mark the open and close prices of the session, providing visual cues of the first bar's open price and the last bar's close price. This visual aid can be invaluable when you're analyzing price movements and evaluating how prices fluctuate within a trading session. The third toggle, Show Tick Range for each session, works by calculating the difference in ticks between the highest and lowest prices within the session. This information is then displayed under the session box in a label. Understanding the tick range can give you insights into the volatility of a session, helping you make informed trading decisions based on how widely prices swing during that time frame. Lastly, we have the Show Average Price per Session toggle. When you enable this, the average close price for all bars within the session is calculated and displayed in a label just below the session box. Additionally, a dotted line is drawn within the session box at the average price. This feature helps traders to quickly assess the general price level of a session, providing a reference point that can be used to make more strategic entries and exits. Another important aspect to consider is the time zone format for each session. The indicator supports two formats, the first being GMT or UTC notation, which incorporates a numerical offset from Greenwich Mean Time, such as GMT5 or UTC plus 11. The second format is the IANA database notation, which uses a regional identifier like America/New_York or Asia Tokyo. If you're ever unsure of the appropriate identifier for your region, you can always refer to the IANA time zone database reference page for guidance. And if you ever leave the time zone field empty in your settings, the indicator will automatically default to using the IANA time zone of the exchange associated with the symbol currently displayed on your chart. This ensures that your session timings are always aligned with the market you're monitoring. With these settings at your fingertips, tailoring your trading sessions to align with your style and strategy is a breeze. Understanding and utilizing these tools effectively is a crucial step towards enhancing your trading game, giving you the edge needed to succeed in the market.